Excuse me, ma'am. You are beautiful.
Yeah, she
with a bootyful.
Yes, sir.
Your name must be Judy too, huh?
Gotta be.
It's my 1953 F100 that we named Judy for Big Booty Judy because the back's a little wide.
We did all that waiting, let's get to the booty. Ooh, big booty Judy. Ooh, I like the way you do it. Ooh, feeling great, feeling good. How are you?
It's my dad's farm truck for 25 years. I got it from him and sent him a picture of it the next day. It cut off from the cab back. Made it the way I wanted it.
Ooh, I like the way you do it. That's my type, yeah, that's what I like. She hop on and ride me like a bike, shaking it behind. Flip her over, tear her down. I like the way she sound. I could tell the minute that I saw her that I want it now. I'm so smooth, cool with it.
22 by 10s in the front, 24 by 12s in the rear. Bullet wheels, 302 route.
I forgot to mention how she move that ass. I'm OMG and this shit here ridiculous. I screen calls, ignore text, can't get too attached. Catch me when you can, I ain't pressed, I done had the best. She saying unlike me, but I'm knowing I'm the perfect catch. We did all that waiting, now it's time for action. Yeah, we did all that waiting, let's get to the booty. Ooh, big booty Judy. Ooh, I like the way you do it. Ooh, feeling great, feeling good, how are you? Ooh, big booty Judy. Big booty Judy, yeah. I like the way you do it. I like the way you do it. I like the way you Judy. I like the way you do it. I like the way you do it. Let's get to the beat now.
It's my Sunday beach cruise that we cruise around in, me and my friends, and have fun with it. Awesome. It is beautiful, man. I appreciate that.
Bitch, we up, it ain't no coming down. I'ma lay her down. Loving when she ride. I'ma cut the cake, but I never eat the pie. Hit her with the rollie on 9:15. I caught me a vibe. Hard heels with time. Feeling good, feeling great. Animal, bathing Nate. Slap a big booty, make the Judy feel some type of way. Fuck it if it's real or fake. I'd rather be real than fake. Quentin Brown, still a player till this day. We did all that waiting, let's get to the booty.